Hey everyone, it's again from Pepi's Techsuit, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Space Gray Magic Keyboard. Alright, so before starting, I would just like to apologize for not having uploaded a video in a long time. I've just been really busy with school and work, so there are a lot more videos coming out soon, so thank you for being subscribed, and definitely get subscribed if you are not for more tech videos coming soon. So this Magic Keyboard, the Magic Keyboard 2, has been around for a while now, right? But Apple recently just discontinued it, so I thought, okay, this might be the best time to get the Space Gray version. Sorry, the Space Gray version is the only version that's discontinued right now. But they still have some in stock on the Apple website and at Best Buy and some other stores. But I figured this would be the best time to get it because I really like the Space Gray color compared to the silver one, which is still readily available. I don't know if they're discontinuing it because they're stopping Space Gray. Maybe they're gonna do the new iMac style keyboards, HID. So maybe that's what they're gonna do. Let's go around the box. So this is just typical Apple. It's plain white and just a picture of the product with the word Magic Keyboard above it. Okay, so we got the Apple logo at the top here. On the back it just says Magic Keyboard with numeric keypad. Some serial numbers and stuff. Apple logo again. Nothing on this side, nothing on that side. So let's get this thing unboxed. So this looks like it is one of those sliding out boxes. So let's see. Let's come out here. Alright, we'll move this out to the side. Okay. So we are greeted right with the keyboard right here. And regardless of what you think of this keyboard, this does look really nice. Alright, I'm gonna set this off to the side up here. I mean, just picking it up, you can tell how just thin this thing is. Crazy. But yeah, we'll look at that in a second. You got your paperwork here, you know, stuff you never read, right? Fun stuff. Let me just toss that off to the side. And this is something interesting. You get a black lightning cable. When this first came out, when the iMac Pros and everything came out, well, black lightning cables were much more rare, but now they're being included in many more products, so nothing too special here. I really do wish this was USB-C, but it's Apple. You know how they do. You know how they do. Alright, so this is the Magic Keyboard right here. Just off first impressions, this thing is ridiculously thin. If you've seen any basically Magic Keyboard 2 before, this is the exact same. Just a little longer for the numpad and the Space Gray color. Let's open this up here. Okay, wow, this thing looks so nice, and it is crazy thin. Alright, so just going around the back here, we have the antennas here, we have the lightning port here, on-off switch right here. Pretty much like the silver Magic Keyboard, if you've ever seen that one. On the back you have the 4 feet, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little Apple logo etched in the back here. Very nice. And just to type on, let's see. That's pretty fun. It's pretty nice. With something this thin, like, I don't know what you're expecting in terms of travel, but this pretty much feels like any non-butterfly MacBook keyboard. This will be fine for longer sessions. I'm used to more of a mechanical keyboard set up myself, but I do really appreciate this Magic Keyboard. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. I don't think it's the best feeling keyboard, but I do see the value in it. The one thing that I really wish it did have was backlit keys, but to make it this thin, I guess they couldn't put in a bigger battery or whatever. The reasons this thin, probably to align with that Magic trackpad, which I will be unboxing soon too, so definitely stay subscribed for that. But yeah, in terms of keyboards, this is the Magic Keyboard 2 in Space Gray. You do have to pay a premium for that Space Gray tax, but this looks so much nicer than the silver one to me. And yeah, this is how it sounds. Fun. You have all your function keys here too, exception of backlight brightness. Come on, Apple. But yeah, that's probably the two major gripes people have with this. Three major gripes. One, the price. In Canada, the Space Gray one is about $180, $180, while the silver one with the trackpad or with the number pad is around $150, I believe. I'll double check that for you. And this might be too thin for some people. I mean, people that are used to, say, mechanical keyboard, this is like absolutely nothing. This is paper thin here. Some people might have an issue with that for ergonomics, for comfort, or just like key travel, you know. And of course, lastly, the backlight or lack thereof. But yeah, that's just been a quick unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys sticking around even while I haven't been uploading. I do have our first ever giveaway coming up on this channel, so definitely stay subscribed for that. Magic Trackpad 2 in Space Gray unboxing coming up. A lot more videos in general. We'll see what happens at WWDC coming up. But yeah, if you guys want some coverage of that on my end, I'll definitely take a look into that. But that's it for now. Definitely get subscribed. Follow on Instagram for more details on the contest too. That's where I'll be running it. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time.